Good morning guys, today I'm at the KL Bird Park in Kuala Lumpur, funny enough. So yeah, get straight into it, see what birds we can find. I actually just had lunch at a restaurant that looks over this bird park. I think it's called the Hornbill restaurant. And I actually saw a toucan sitting in the tree next to me, but I didn't get a great view. So yeah, let's go! Has that one escaped? Is he supposed to be on there? How did he get out? Oh no. Very hot day again today, but it's actually not too bad in there because you've got the trees sort of covering you. So it's nice. Ah. And that is a pelican, I believe. What is that orange bird at the back? Thing. I've never seen this bird before in my life. So it's giving me a dirty look. Oh. Well, this guy just walked up to me. I think he, yeah, is pretty friendly. Probably expects food. I guess they get fed by in the park. But I haven't got any, so sorry about that, mate. Oh my god, he's nearly fell downstairs. I have no idea what that is. It looks scary. What the hell? Hello. So all these birds are allowed to fly around freely. They don't have to sit in their little thing all day. They can just fly off whenever they want, which is really quite cool actually. I mean, there's some in cages, but there's probably a reason for that. What is this? That peacock. I have mood swings every now and then, so please mind the space between us. That's not a peacock, is it? What the hell is that? I don't know, a blue bird. Oh yeah, so these are in cages, which is obviously an eagle. You can see it right at the back there, chilling. There's like a big open area above, so they can fly around this hole. It's massive. It's a massive like forest. That is really cool. I think it's about £15 I think to get in, which is, I mean, so far, I mean, it's great when you get up close to animals. I think it's the best part when they're not sat, you know, trapped behind a little cage. They're actually allowed out, and you can sort of, well, you can't touch them, but you can if you wanted to, if you know what I mean. I think that's good. I like that sort of stuff. I think that'd be good if the zoos are like that too, but I'll probably get eaten. And here we go, a little, I don't know, chicken nugget bird. I think this might be the first time I've seen an ostrich. They are absolutely huge. They're massive. Hello, Mr. Bird. I think I saw this one in Singapore Zoo actually, in that little bird cage. Yeah, I think I did. Oh, I don't think that's a bird. Oh, bye-bye. Take a seat with the peacock if you want. Hello. She's off, or he. Currently in zone 2. I just can't believe how big them ostriches were. And I think there's 4 zones to this. But yeah, what the hell? Are they herrings or something? Feeding? So it looks like they could be storks. Freshwater birds. And they're up there. Oh yeah, they've got the beak. Guess that's probably the feeding area over there. Whoa, look at that. It's got long dangly legs. So, we've now entered the Hornbill area. I've only ever seen these on TV and when I was eating lunch. I'm really interested to see them. I hope I can see one. But, there's a gift shop up there. Asian black hornbill. This one looks pretty creepy. Oh. What was that? Huh, that's a crazy sound. So there was just them little birds in that section there. I believe zone 4 is toucan. Toucan? Yeah, toucan. Let's go. Hello. Hello. So I made a mistake there. Toucans I'm thinking of. No, hornbills that I saw, not toucans. I just saw the coloured beak, so but it's a hornbill. That's what we're seeing around here. They're just as cool, so hopefully I can see one. Or the main one. But yeah, I just held a little bird on my hand and fed that. So that was really cool. Never done that before, I don't think. No. Yeah, first time. I think that's an emu. I've already seen an ostrich. Maybe it's not an emu. What is that? Oh, there's a sign. Make our way to the sign and find out what this mysterious bird is. Oh, it looks like an emu. It is! Ostriches' eyes are larger than their brains. I didn't know that. Birds don't sweat. Ooh. Found my way into some aircon, as per usual. Ah, this is the thing I was on about. I saw this, the rhinoceros hornbill. This was when I was eating lunch, and it was on the tree next to me. I haven't seen any in the actual park yet, like, you know, flying around. Okay, so I've just found a free emu feeding. I ain't got to pay for this. Hey man! You want some? Whoa! Come here. I have just found an ostrich feeding zone. Oh my god. I don't know if they're going to want it, but... Hello, ostrich. Whoa. Ow, you bastard! I just got bit by the ostrich. I did get it on call on my phone. It didn't hurt, it's just a little peck. I'm scared, mate. Who bit my hand? Hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stay back. You dropped it, not me. Wait. There you go. Ah, your fault. So after getting bitten by the ostrich, I found my second, well, that's not my favourite bird, this thing is. It's really cool. It's basically a dinosaur, cassowary. Cassowary? Yeah, they're weird. They do make funny sounds, but don't think you can do it today. Well, I hope I don't get some sort of disease off that ostrich. I have washed my hands. Savin cassowary. I'm going to end it here because I'm now going into the gift shop to have a little explore and I'll probably buy something actually. But yeah, thanks for watching. That's good fun. Really good fun actually. Probably one of the best things I've done here.